Hey YouTube, Civil Stories here again. Um, just here to talk about how to get more views on YouTube. Been seeing a lot of YouTube channels lately. Especially Dante, London. He's pretty good. And he tells you how he's doing it. So um, it takes a lot. You have to be here every day. It's not like you have to, videotape your whole life or anything. But yeah, you just have to constantly, let me get set up here. You have to just constantly be just posting, right? And just talking about what do you think fits. That's not right. You just have to keep posting videos that you think are relevant, right? People want to hear information that they will use. They don't want to see your life or vlogs or anything. Now, if you have a certain niche, if you, for instance, got a sailboat and you're sailing around the world, I see a lot of YouTube channels that sail around the world, and those are cool to see. If you have a certain niche that that does that certain thing, then that's cool, right? You have a talent, or you have a boat that you can go around the world in. If you're a camper and you want to camp around the wilderness and you want to film your travels and you got a drone and you can get these crazy shots and stuff, you have a niche for something, then use it to your ability. More power to you. But if you don't have something, but you could do something around the house, if you're a gardener or anything like that, post those things. But for the most part, people are just usually just talking about how you can just talk about how to make or how to get more clicks and more views on YouTube by just talking about it, right? So I don't have a certain niche or something like that. I don't have a sailboat, or I don't have a camper, but I could do certain things. I can play the guitar, or I like to paint. But if you don't have that certain skill, then it might be harder for you, right? But what do you do when you have that skill? Do I play guitar, or do I paint as my niche? Because nobody knows how to start a YouTube channel because they don't know what to say or what to do, right? Like me, I'm confused because I started my YouTube channel back in 2011 when my kid was playing soccer, right? And I just post little things here and there. I didn't think nothing of it. I didn't know what I was doing, but it was fun just posting it, right, for memories. But I've been in the game for 2011, but with no clicks, right? I didn't know the secrets of getting more views, and it's been a journey. But when people start talking about posting daily, posting every other day, and just talking about how they make money and just putting a simple title, and they're just blowing up, that just seems strange to me, right? They don't have a skill set. They're just in their car talking and just posting a video and they're blowing up. It just seems strange to me, right? So you could do the same. I'm gonna start doing the same and see if it works, right? My last video I did, yeah, I got 100 views. I don't have a talent, but I'm here to tell you that it's hard to get on the camera and just talk to nobody. There's nobody around me, so it seems strange that I'm talking by myself here. Yeah, so just do it. And I know it's out of your comfort zone. Right? It's out of my comfort zone. It's I tell my wife and my daughter, if they want to do it too, because they see other YouTubers, but they see their videos, but they don't do their own videos. So I'm doing the opposite. I'm seeing the videos, but I'm trying it myself. So out of this one, I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna post this and see how many views I get out of this one. So I'm gonna see if I can beat 100 views. So if you can like that button and subscribe, that I appreciate it. But yeah, but for the next part, what I was gonna say is, he even talked about Dante even talked about making a 20 or 30-minute video. I'm like, man, how the heck is somebody gonna stay here and talk through all that time about how to make videos and you know, how to get out of your comfort zone. You know, if you don't have a niche or you don't know what you're talking about, what are you going to talk about? You know, that's what draws people away from YouTube, because they don't know what to say, or they don't have a talent, or how do I start? You know, there's a lot of questions and a lot of things that you don't think about that go into a YouTube video, right? Especially when you're talking to yourself again. But anyway, here I am. So this is my second one. I'm going to try it out, and this might not be too long, but you know, I'm at 6 minutes now. How the hell do I talk about for another 15 minutes? What am I going to say for the next 15 minutes? Just jibber jabbering for 15 more damn minutes, you know? So what I seen Dante do is he's talking about the same thing over and over again. Just do it, just do it. And here are the secrets. And blah, the blah, the blah, right? So I don't know how the hell he keeps talking, and he's slamming the shit out of shit, and it's just crazy. But you know, but he's got a knack for it, right? He knows how to talk and stuff. So, but some people don't. But hopefully this kind of helps you. Just try to get in there. Just start recording. This is raw and unedited. You know, I'm gonna try to do it raw and unedited. Some stuff might come out funny, or I might pause because I forget what I'm gonna say. You know, but anyway, I'm gonna try it again. So this one's a little bit longer than my other video. My next one will probably be a few more minutes than the other one, and yeah, this is harder than what I thought. So let's see how this goes, and hopefully you like it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.